All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol DRYS. This was requested by Zach over here on YouTube. So DRYS, this is another one that's been really, really popular. And I'm just going to tell you exactly how I see it right here. Okay, there's this big, big pop in. That's not even, a way to describe it, because you went from $4 all the way up to $100 a share. This is insane. What happens there is that sure there's a lot of people that got caught in this one. Because what happened is you dropped from 50 all the way down to $10.80. So you went from 15 down to $10.80. That is a big swing. And the day before you're at $102. Within the next day, down at $10.80. Horrible, horrible, horrible for anybody that got stuck. Okay. So now what we're going to pay attention to is what happened afterwards, what's going on right now. So let's go ahead and X all this out and pay attention to what's going on right now. This volume is picking up, but there is a lot of selling. I don't know if people were in here. Obviously, there's a lot of people in here, but I don't know if they're just all the way through here saying, I'm stuck, I'm screwed, or whatever. Tax season, I might as well just take the hit. I might as well get out. You tend to see that happen around here. All right. So then right here on the 13th and the 18th, you had those two candles that flipped over to green. All right. So you see that buying pressure that's starting to come back into it. What we're going to be watching for right now is, this stock is so oversold. It's insane. 35 on the RSI. Okay, so a reverse stock split set for Monday.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so that changes a lot of this. That's going to change.
It's a 1 for 8.
Oh, really?
Yeah, 1 for 8 reverse stock split.
All right, so that's going to be kind of hard to judge this off of right now. Then, you know what I mean? It really changes, but if you're going off of where it's currently trading at, it's just not good. I'm telling you guys the truth. It's just, I don't like the way that this looks at all, because when you're following this lower Bollinger Band down, for all you guys that watch these videos, I've got my own system that really works well for myself. And when you hit this, you tend to look for a green pop off of that, but you just don't see it. Like right here, you've seen it on the 12th. You start riding that lower Bollinger Band, and then boom, the next day you get a green, but you didn't move. You didn't move at all. You were at a low of $1.69 and a high of $2.23, but it couldn't hold that. You were evenly traded between the $1.87 and the $1.79 was the most solid trading. So me personally, for DRYS, I would definitely hold for now. And lots of new contracts for the company announced Friday too. No, that's definitely good to hear, but as far as the share price, I would wait till after the split, I would wait for a little bit. I would wait for a week or so and reevaluate.
But just to watch it.
Yeah,
watch it.
Exactly. Because
this thing right here, they announced a 1 for 8, and then it's on the 20th. This news was DryShips acquires its first very large gas carrier with a 5-year time charter attached to an oil major. So I could read the first thing of it. So DryShips Incorporated, a diversified owner of ocean group cargo vessels, announced today that it has acquired one very large gas carrier, VLGC, currently under construction at Hyundai Heavy Duties, HHI, for a purchase price of $83.5 million. I feel like I read this thing already. They must have, maybe this is the second one. The company financed the closing price of $21.9 million by using part of its unknown liquidity under the $200 million new Sifnos revolver, which now stands at $142.9 million. The $61.6 million balance of the purchase price for the VLGC will be payable in installments until the vessel's delivery from HHI. Let's see, they get the time rate too. The VLGC will be employed on a fixed rate time charter with 5 years firm duration for an oil major. The charter has options to extend the firm employment period by up to 3 years. Company expects a total gross backlog associated with this time charter of up to 92.7 million, including optional periods, and expects to take delivery of the vessel in June 2017. So I mean, they figure they're gonna get the vessel in
Right.
what is that, 5 months, right, roughly, almost 6 months. I'm gonna look back really quick on their press releases because I could have sworn they just. When was the last time we went over this one?
It's been a while. It's been a few weeks.
So maybe they bought a few of these.
Could have.
I think maybe last year then. Yeah, that's pretty much it, man.
Okay. DRYS. You guys follow this one? I definitely keep me updated. I want to know what happens after this split if I don't circle around back on it. So make sure you head over to investorshangout.com and check out our live stream at investorshangout.com/live.